today is gonna be a very autumnal vlog. I guess my birthday vlog was very autumnal. This is the day after my birthday, and it's very sunny but chilly. And I'm wearing a very witchy outfit. I love this top. I was planning on going on a walk today because I haven't been on a walk since fall started. I've just been way too busy. But then yesterday I actually had a tummy ache, and today it still hurts. So I'm not sure if I want to go on a walk today because I don't want it to get worse while I'm out on a walk. Right now my body is just telling me to stay in bed. Have another bed day. So I think I'm most likely just going to do that. I only have fun things planned for the day. I haven't, like I said in my last vlog, I haven't been having much time off lately. So this is very much needed, and I think my body is just like, yeah, you need this. You need to stay in bed. You need to rest. So that's what I'm gonna do. I was planning on wearing this very cute skirt I got yesterday though. This is the skirt. It's a long skirt. I was so happy to get this. I was not expecting it. I've been wanting a long brown skirt for so long now, and I could not find one that I liked a lot. So I was not expecting this, and to like it so much. It's so pretty. But that's only if I go out today. But I definitely want to be vlogging when I go on my walk because it's gonna be beautiful. I want to walk to the lake. There's actually many lakes near where I live because I live in a pretty rural area. But yesterday I also got tarot cards, and I think I will do a reading today. I slept with them in my bed yesterday to help them capture my energy. So I'm excited about that. I also will just read a lot today, regardless of if I go on a walk or not. That's what I'm gonna do. It is the next day. It's after lunch and I am going on a walk soon with my sister because I didn't end up going yesterday because my tummy was just still bothering me. So I decided to just have a day in bed once again, just reading and watching shows. I continued rewatching Wednesday, which I watched last year when I was sick in bed with a tummy ache as well. So now that show is just associated with this comfort vibe. So I like that. And I'm also currently watching Sex Education Season 4, which I am enjoying. Actually, when I watched Season 3, I was also sick in bed. That was 2 years ago. I had a very bad cold, but it was in the summer, so it was very weird. Anyways, so this morning I just did a bit of cleaning and backing up my photos and just random admin stuff like that. Today is a chilly but sunny fall day, and it's beautiful, and it's Oscar Wilde's birthday. And I've been looking forward to this walk for so long. So I have a cute little outfit on. I have a skirt that I got. I'm wearing leggings underneath because this is quite thin, and just a regular tank top. But I have this beautiful suede ruffled jacket that used to be my mom's, and yeah, I'm really excited. Yay, she's a cutie. I look like a brat. Yeah, Bratz dolls. Me and my grandma. Yay! Okay. Oh my, it's so sunny. Whoa! What are we? It's all blue. We're giants! We're monsters! Oh my gosh. Thought you would pan over to me. Hello. Hi, everyone. Oh! Where did you get this? Oh my God, you really are a golden retriever. Oh, good puppy. Good puppy.
It took so long to notice.
Pretty.
Wanna take it home?
Okay.
Okay. Lisa. Oh. Where is he?
Where there was also a peaceful stretch of grass. We can go there in a sec. is actually the next night, but I'm just going to end the vlog here. I didn't feel like talking to a camera last night because I was so tired. I had a very, very peaceful walk, and I will definitely be going on another one soon. I really missed just being able to sit in the grass like that. It was just so nice and so needed. The last few days have been very needed. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and that you have been taking the time to rest and connect with yourself. Or if you haven't, I hope you will be able to find that time soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.